Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out just riding around on the CRF300L, enjoying the day by myself. The boys, they got something going on, who knows, I don't know. But anyway, they didn't go, so I'm out by myself riding. Kind of like being back in the Ozarks. I'm out here pretty close to the mountains here, southern part of Arizona. You can see that blimp over there. It's the closest I've ever been to it. That's actually the blimp that they let it. It's up on the cable, I'm pretty sure, and they let it up, and it's got a camera on it to watch for illegals or smuggling or something across the border. But right now, I believe earlier in the day it was up. Yeah, I'm pretty positive it was. And now it's back down. But I think if it gets too windy, they probably go ahead and pull it down, I would imagine, as it is the wind. So I've definitely never been out this road. Not sure where it goes to, or if it's private road, dead end, no turnaround. Well, that's that way. This way don't say anything, so let's go this way. It's not bad as far as temperature. It says 79 degrees right now. Feels good out here. You can see how close we are to those mountains right there. Some of these little roads, ain't no need to turn on them. I can see on the GPS here that they just go a little ways and stop. Don't really go nowhere. Okay, this is Brown Canyon Road. Don't know what it is, except for I don't think it goes very far down here. It's like a day use area, maybe. There's a little road right there. Probably just like maybe a campsite up here, I would say. So maybe more than day use. I don't know. There's a spot there, maybe. Yeah, this is like a little loop right here. Just kind of goes a little loop right here. There's some hiking trails up in here, I know. Brown Canyon. Brown Canyon Ranch. Not sure what that is either. But I thought, check it out. Seen the signs on the road. Check it out and see exactly what it is. This looks like just a little offshoot, and it probably goes back onto the main road. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's where it's going to go. Right back onto the main road. I'm thinking, yeah. Yeah, right there. We go this way. Probably does the same thing. Maybe. It's a pretty good little ledges here. Now, this is maybe, no, this ain't the main road either. I don't know what this is. It's obviously a road. See vehicle tracks. Looks like it goes to a campsite or something over there. I don't know. Looks like a little hill climb over here on the right. Well, it's not a bad little spot. I think it's a very big area, but it's not a bad little spot. Actually, not bad little trails, just I don't think they're going to be very long. Oh, there's that blimp. I'm on the other side of it. There it is over there. Pretty wild. I don't think this can go any further, really. We'll go look this way and see. Probably. Another one goes that way, another one goes this way. Just kind of every which way. Looks like a grave. There's even a tombstone there. Closed to vehicles. No more vehicles. Somebody probably could have broke a nail on the ride in there or something. That's what this says. Memory of Daryl James something. I can't read it. Died in 1/20/31. I can't read it really. Hard to tell. Well, let's see where this goes. I'm sure it just goes right back down to that one. I mean, it's not much, but it's a neat little place just to come check out. Anyway. Ramsey Canyon Road. What it's off of. It's a lot rougher than I figured it would be. I mean, it's not a problem, but it's still rougher than I figured it would be. Up in here, I didn't figure there was anything. That's why you always want to check when you go exploring roads, because you never know what you might find. You might find some fun little stuff, or you may go up there and it's a straight road, dead end, nothing. Let's go up this one hill climb over here. But that's pretty sweet. I like that. Better get maybe a straighter shot at this hill. It's a pretty good sized hill. It don't look like it's from here, I'm sure, but that's actually a pretty good sized little hill climb. So we're gonna get a straight shot. Pretty chewed up too. Over these hard rocks like this, it's actually pretty good traction. It's not real loose. Holy mackerel. That's pretty cool. You can see the road there. See, that's the road I come in on. So I guess I can go that way too and see where that goes. Up here and look first. This may go back down to it. Nope, don't look like it. It's going back the other direction. See that? Oh, there's that ranch down there, I think, right down there. Brown Ranch. Pretty cool. It's a good little place. Somebody wants to come learn and practice different kinds of gravelly, rocky hill climbs, little ruts and ledges and stuff like that. Be a good little spot for that. There's nothing real extreme. Not to me, really. Nice shade trees up in here, too. Anyhow, you can be out in the desert, or you can just go just a couple miles, have a little road, or have one of these canyons next to the mountains. Nice and cool and shady. I think that's where I come through earlier. This one should go back down to this main dirt road, which we'll check it out. Yeah, right here. We'll go this way. This little Garmin Zumo XT is the handiest thing ever. And you notice, if you've been watching my videos, I had it up here, but I actually moved it. I kind of like it right there in the center. So I got a ram ball mount right up here and under the center of the bar right up in here. Comes out and then a ram ball, and it's solid, nice and centered in the bike, and works pretty good right there. I just happened to think of that this morning. Like, I ought to be able to mount that thing there somehow. So I worked on it, and it wasn't much to it. It took me 5 minutes probably. Changed my mounting around. So this is the Brown Ranch. I see a border patrol over here or something. Looks like. Somebody must stay here in an RV, keep an eye on the place too. That could be a sheriff's department instead of a border patrol. I would say so. Parking area. So you can come check out this day use fee, $8, $10 per week. Brown Canyon Ranch House, day use only. Closed 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. I guess you can just kind of check this little old Brown Ranch out. And then I think there's also a lot of hiking trails and stuff out in there. So that vehicle just says law enforcement. I think he's over here visiting whoever's in the camper. Caretaker. Huh. Well, that was interesting to come see anyway. Check out the Brown Ranch Road and off of Ramsey Canyon Road near Sierra Vista, Arizona. And we got to see that blimp right out there a little bit closer. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. I got a lot more videos coming. I've got more made that I got to get edited and put up, so there's several videos still on the way. I got lots of products, installs and stuff for the 300L and things that I got to do. Some pretty exciting videos, so thank you all for watching. Subscribe down below, click that bell icon, and you get notified when I post up a new video. And we'll catch you on the next one. Right on.